Morning. I'm going to the nature in Mexico. I live in Querétaro and this is kind of dry, but there are some mountains that has water. I decided to take a trip to mountains. So it's called Sierra Gorda, I guess. Then I drive to a town called Texpakian. Tex. I can't remember. I will go to Tequisquiapan, where their wine is famous worldwide, I guess. And I will stay there for one night. I'm alone. It's a lonely trip. But yeah, I'm fine. I love traveling alone. I got here. The parking is 60 pesos, which is 3 or 4 dollars. Wow, there are a lot of pigs. What the fuck? There are a lot of pigs. Eh? ここで? Wow, so cute. Never seen baby pigs. I'm walking to the waterfall. Should be beautiful. It's not free. I don't have cash. It's 80 pesos. I'm gonna ask if they can take card. Buenos días.
Hola, buenos días.
¿Solo efectivo?
Sí.
Ah. I only have. Gracias. I only have 60 pesos left. I need cash. I hear the sound of the water. Not as blue as I expected. It's beautiful. I see the sign. Dance. It's a huge tree.
Gracias.
Finally. Oh, it's beautiful. From the parking to here, I walked like 25 minutes, which is like 1 kilometer. And yeah, it's beautiful. So I had a nice time at the waterfall. It was relaxing. And I'm staying at the place called Teaquiapan or something. Tequisquiapan. Teaquiapan or something. And I'm gonna drive there for maybe 2 hours. And on the way, I found a town called Pueblo Mágico, which is like magical town on the top of the mountain. So I'm gonna stop there for lunch. Hopefully I could use a credit card for lunch. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what happens. I just parked. And I'm here at the observation for the town on the top of the mountain. The view is not the best. Looks like a small town. Cute. I think this is the central town. A lot of doggies. What a cute town. So I'm heading to a cafe. Oh, we met again. Hey. This is the only cafe I find in this town, so I'm gonna ask if I can use a credit card.
Ay, pero no los podrías poner para llevar.
Hola. ¿Puedo tarjeta? ¿Está bien? No, o efectivo.
¿Cuántos?
They can take credit cards. I have no option. I tried to find a place to eat in this town, but nobody takes credit cards, so I gave up. And I found a supermarket, a grocery store, and they take credit card. So I did some shopping for like little snack. I got chips, rancheritos, looks delicious, and chocolate rolls with pineapple jam and yogurt with cereal. So yeah, that's my lunch in the car. So on the way to the hotel, I found the observation point for the mountains, and it's just beautiful. So I wanted to share with you. Look at this.
¿Sabes cuánto pesa Santiago? Como 10, 20 tuyos.